Hey everybody, it's Neil and I'm in my camper and I got these here. These are some little adhesive hooks. I'm going to show you guys what they look like here. Grab them out of the box and open it up and show you what they are. Because I need some places to hang some things around the camper here, I needed some good strong hooks. So I'll show you what they are and how they work. Let me grab a set of one. It comes with a bunch of them in here, but I'm just going to grab one little set here. Okay, so we have the sticker, which is going to stick onto the wall. And it's got the adhesive on it there. I don't have anywhere to put it right now, so I'm not going to stick it on, but I'll show you guys how it works here. It's just a sticker right there, and nice and super sticky. And then it's got these here, which are like little hooks, and then you can kind of snap this into it, and then it hangs down, so you can hang stuff on it. So if I want to put it in my shower to hang up my washcloth or something, I can do that. Actually, I will. I'll put one in there. But I'm going to put, in there to hang up the washcloth or whatever. I can do that, and it's going to stay, and it's good. And so these are nice little hooks, and they are got a good pad to it, so it's a nice big pad, so it will hold on strong and super easy. And then if I ever want to take it off or something like that, or need the space, I can do that. So it's kind of why I got it for my camper here, so it's super easy to do. So totally awesome. I like it. Thumbs up.